Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video this is going to be my ring collection, but I'm also going to show you these necklaces, pendants in front, but I just thought that it would be a good video to show you my rings because I always get asked questions about my rings, where do I get them from. So they're all gemstones, they're all natural crystals. So this first ring I have to show you is so unique. This is my newest ring. I bought this from Etsy and it was customized for me. So basically you could choose the little gemstone beads that you wanted on the ring. And I just love the dangleness. So basically I have amethyst, I have a carnelian. There's also a labradorite here and then a green aventurine. So I just love the combination of the colours, a bit like chakra colours, and it brings me good luck, creativity, energy and intuition. So super powerful in their properties, but look how beautiful it is. I really love this ring. It's actually become one of my favourites. So yeah, this is from a seller on Etsy who customises rings. So this next ring I have is an Australian opal. Opal is my favourite crystal, it always will be. But look at the beautiful colours in this ring. Again, this was purchased on Etsy. I will try and, like, if you want to know where exact ring is, if they still make them, then just leave comments down below and I'll send direct links if they're still available to buy. But this has so many beautiful colours. It's a super gorgeous ring. So this next gemstone is onyx. Onyx is super protective. I love the black crystal. I find it very hard to find genuine onyx, so I was very happy with the seller that I bought from. And again, this was an Etsy ring. I feel like most of my rings have actually come from there actually, but I love the fact we have this star and the moon. Yeah, I just wanted a black onyx ring and this one definitely caught my attention. This next ring probably is one of my favourites, if not my favourite in my entire collection. This was a present from my mum on one of my birthdays, and it's a clear quartz, but what's special about this clear quartz ball is it spins. I mean, hopefully you can see it on camera, but it spins all the way around, so it's super fun to play with. So all my rings are sterling silver, and what's special about this one, this is a vintage rock crystal spinning ball ring. So the shooting star symbolises good luck, and the bolt of lightning is a symbol of strength and enlightenment. So clear quartz is my birthstone, so again I'm super connected to clear quartz. That is my second favourite crystal after opal. So it's definitely one of a kind, and I think this is a 1970s ring. So this next ring isn't actually a gemstone, but I feel like I had to show it anyway because it has the flash of like a blue labradorite. It really does remind me of that crystal. This is actually a real blue motho butterfly wing. Okay, so this is a art deco piece. It is antique, it's sterling silver, it's very fiery, and it dates from around 1920 to the 1930s. So that ring was purchased on Etsy as well. This one was an eBay ring. This one actually has moonstone eyes, and this is an owl. I love owls, and they just have little moonstone eyes. So this ring I actually made myself. Well, I had already had the ring and I just cut off the charms that was on it, and then I basically added my own. So I've added this K, and we have a clear quartz faceted bead, a black tourmaline, a facetorite, and a flashy labradorite. This is a thumb ring, adjustable. It's just a little something I thought I'd play around with, and I actually quite like it. So my next ring is an Arizona turquoise ring. So Arizona turquoise is known as very high quality turquoise that's mined. And what's special about it is it usually has pieces of pyrite in. So you can see in the center there here, these gold shimmer flecks is a bit of pyrite. And the symbol is the evil eye for protection. Now I purchased this on eBay. I really love the pattern and the gorgeous blue colour in this ring. So moving on to some chunkier rings now. These were purchased on Etsy. These are coffin shaped rings and they have rose quartz, and this one is moonstone, which has a very subtle blue flash. And what the cutest thing about these coffins is the caskets actually open up. So they have a little clip clasp, and there is a little skeleton inside. So I just think it's adorable that it's just not empty. So next I have this lepidolite planchet shaped ring, and it has the high grade lepidolite gem here, this beautiful rose, and it has a snake band. Super comfortable to wear. This was purchased on Etsy. I bought this as a birthday present to myself last year, I believe. And I just love purple gems. So my next ring is this ghost planchet ring, which again was purchased on Etsy. And this is actually a Tripachi amethyst. Hopefully I've said that right. So if you can see the amethyst, it has these insane reflects of light. You see the kind of pinkiness coming through. It's like, honestly, such a high grade amethyst. Has these beautiful patches of like inclusions. Such a mystical, very dreamy crystal. And I just love the little ghost on the side. So this is definitely one of my favorites as well. So the last ring I have to show you is quite different. This is a moon shaped agate crystal. I think, as you can see here, we have the quartz, the sparkly quartz here. We have this beautiful band of like agate. But this is very interesting because this section here, which is very different, is a strip of like hematite. So that's the kind of red inclusion that you get in like pink amethyst. So it doesn't have sparkle with pink amethyst, but it does have red hematite in it. So it's a very unique cabochon, I would say. Absolutely love the banding and the sparkliness and that beautiful red. It really doesn't look like a pink amethyst to me, but like I said, it's just got all these beautiful variations to it. So I wear this as a thumb ring. It's adjustable. Yeah, that is my last ring. So now I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of my pendants. So this is a pink amethyst geode, which I wire wrapped myself. I just love the beautiful pink of this pink amethyst. I also wrapped this one as well, which is this agate amethyst moon. So I usually just pick what chains I want to wear with these. So also added this bit here because it actually had a drilled hole in, which was perfect for necklace making. This is a purple labradorite. So this has a beautiful flash of purple. But what's super special about it, hopefully you can pick it up on camera, is kind of like this fairy, like these are the wings. I don't know if you can see her. It's like this angel or fairy. There we go. I mean, let me know if you can see what I can see, but I really can see an angel or a fairy. It really looks like a little, there's the head up there. So that was super fascinating when this came. I had this blue lace agate with this bird. Which again was Etsy. I had this chocolate opal, which was a gifted present to me. This was purchased from a crystal shop in London. Beautiful fiery colours. This is a labradorite with a lovely blue flash, and it actually has my name personalised on this. I can't remember the name of the website. I think it was something like Lisa Jewellery UK or something like that. I have this interesting vintage piece that I bought on eBay. It has this dyed druzy agate, a moonstone, a garnet and a blister pearl. I have this beautiful moonstone. It's really like a misty portal. This is my most recent pendant, which I added to my spooky haul. It's interesting because one of my subscribers says she could see a witch, and I kind of can as well. Such an interesting moonstone this is. And then I believe this is a garnet. So that's a vintage piece from eBay. I have this Rainbow Lattice sunstone that was a birthday present. You can see the beautiful Lattice pattern. So this is from Australia. So this is a piece of quartz which is aura coated, so it's been treated so it's blue. But it's a really nice high quality piece. I have this black tourmaline triangle shape. I love the kind of like shine to this black tourmaline. Again, a very protective crystal. So that one was purchased on Etsy. This was Etsy as well. The blue aura one I actually made up myself, so I wire wrapped that. But yeah, this is a clear quartz with onyx little beads. And it kind of, you can use this one as a pendulum as well. It's a beautiful necklace. I have this Australian opal. How insane is the colours in this? Oh, I could just stare at opal all day. And then lastly I have this pink lithium point. I love the chain. This was purchased on, I think the seller's on Instagram and they have their own website. But I love the thickness of the chain. And if you compare it to quartz, you can see it has a more pink hue to it. But again, this is one of my favorites. I wear this one a lot. So that is everything. That is my pendants as well as my rings. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm sending you so much love and light.